so I've just been kneading up some pink fondant here, and I'm going to take my rolling pin, roll it out. Looks like I've got some chocolate cake on it, but I'll just avoid that spot. All right, so I'm rolling this out. I want to keep it fairly thick, not too thin. And I need this for the cover around the book. Take my pizza cutter. Always make sure your pizza cutter is clean. Mine has a little bit of fondant on it. So I'm going to go like this, clean it off so I get a nice cut. And then what we're going to do is cut with the ruler here. So I'm just going to lightly press, take the pizza cutter, cut, and cut all the way down. Remove that. And then I don't really want it ruler width. I'm going to do about half the ruler. So I'll move the ruler in the halfway position and cut. And sometimes it's easy to just actually eyeball it for the next ones. Sometimes if you keep putting the ruler on top, it moves around too much. So I'll do that one. And I need 4 of these. I don't do it in one piece. I usually do it in 4 pieces. So. Okay, I'm going to start with the sides first. Hopefully this one's long enough. And I'll just bring it right up to the side. I cleaned the board a little bit, all that extra buttercream that was on the board. And then what I'm going to do here is just push this right up, very carefully, right up to the buttercream. And then use the back of the ruler and you can push it in and make a straight line at the same time. Then what you'll do is just take your pizza cutter and cut right there, and there's one part of the book jacket. Then I can go ahead and take my favorite one, because since it's the front, and make sure that you go all the way down here, push that in. Perfect, come back with the ruler. And then I'm going to cut leaving a little extra. And then I think this one was a shorter one, so I'll go on the side. Push that in. And then just right here, I want to make sure I just kind of get this pushed in there. And then this is why I kept that, just so I could trim that there. Trim it straight here, turn it so you can see that. Now that curves a little bit. You can try to push it in a little bit more, but it's going to have to, or this would stick out a little bit. So your other option is using a bigger board, or using the board as the book jacket like I talked about earlier.